We started by first building these fender wells. These fender wells go in first and then the center wall on top of them. The center wall is going to be a load-bearing wall. So building these fender wells first actually spreads the weight over more of the floor area and doesn't create a stress point above these tires. This center wall is going to be a supporting wall because it's going to have a 35-gallon water tank up above and the cupola on the roof. So it's going to be supporting the weight of 35 gallons plus the weight of the cupola. This center wall is the only wall that's framed 16 inches on center, and the rest are much further apart than that. Because this wall is going to carry more weight than any of them. It's going to transfer the load of that water tank down towards the axle. See if we can figure out how to cut these curved rafters. Let's see. 6 foot wide. Start here in a good spot where it ain't rotting her. Hold me here, Daddy, on that mark. Good? Alrighty. That's 6 foot, and then we need the center. I got it. 3 foot's the center. And 2x4 is 3.5. So 1 3/4. Here's our center line. I'm gonna do slide that under there. We'll screw it together. Eyeball that at square. Put a screw in it, pivot on it. Take this drywall square. Huh? It's pretty square in it. Yep. I'm either that good or something. I don't think I'm that good. So I'm something. Blessed. Pin it where it don't move. Then we got to make a curve. I just think I moved that. Hit it with my foot. Let me check it square again. No? It just felt like I forced it, but it didn't. If I was better at math, I would know how to do this. Gotta play with the tape here. I want to be there. I think it matters where I start from. No, it does. have a little small flat spot, won't hurt nothing, you know. Thinking if I go about 6 foot, which is the width. Be a good place to start from anyway. Getting the centered bore 1 3/4 inches. Set the screw. That's just tighten knots. Worry about slipping on it. Give us our pivot point. That'll give us a little flat spot, but I need a loop for the pencil. Old string anyway. Get that out of the equation. We want to run out to nothing at the top of the wall on the outside edge of the wall. Just hold that over there. Just stand on that end. That string just taut. Key is keeping that pressure on the string. Done this with a straight edge, but my straight edge is only 4 foot. They don't give like the string. Ain't too bad. I believe that's gonna work. That gives us our curved rafter to cut out for a pattern. If you look at that center wall, we installed a sheet of OSB. The only reason for this sheet of OSB is to give the wall shear strength to keep the caboose from racking left and right from the weight of the water as it travels over land. The other side of the center wall will be covered with the same metal that the exterior of the caboose is covered with, giving privacy to each room. We ended up cutting out 7 of these curved rafters in total, 1 for each end wall and 1 over the center wall, then 1 10 inches each way off the center wall to where the feet of the water tank are going to mount down to transfer that load down. And then we also had to have 1 fly rafter for the back and 1 fly rafter for the front and rear overhangs of the roof. I have to say that this project, as in most projects here at Allotted Path Ranch, it has turned out to be more work than I originally intended for it to be. But God always has a greater plan than I, and it always works out for the better. And I think this is going to be a cool little caboose when it's done, and so far it's been a blast to work on.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in my life, and Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. Thank you. We love you. We'll see you next time.